What works for one person can work for another. Since I have already personally made sales, 6 to be precise, and now have received my first rebill, I can say that the Partner with Anthony program works for me. Will it teach you to achieve success as well? Only you can answer that. All I can do is show you from our Facebook group that a lot of other people have had similar experiences by implementing the training that Anthony Morrison puts on. Check out the video. Let's look at that again in slow motion. Names have been hidden. 63 sales in 16 days. Here we see 1, 7, 2, 1, and 7 sales. Here's a couple that didn't get any sales yet, but they are building their list. Here are a few more sales. 7, 5, 5, and 1 sale. Here we have 8, 5, and 1 sales. There are another 10 slides of comments showing more of the same. They basically show that common everyday people are learning how to build an online business from scratch. Bottom line is that if you are willing to do the work and apply what Anthony teaches, you also can experience similar results to those shown. Click the link and start your training today.